Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your Sunday so far. If you're new, my name is Shule and I really love decorating my home. I'm so happy that you're here because I have a fantastic video for you all to enjoy. I'm decorating my kitchen window and I made 3 DIYs, and the first one is candle rings. And then time almost came to all these items are from the range store and I really love these frosted berries especially. And maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. I also have little baubles and I am going to be making this ring suitable for this DIY candle that I bought from Poundland originally and I spray painted. I'm using this styrofoam which was only £1 from the range store, and I have these little picks from this garland that I bought a few years ago from Wilko. I already made first one to see all the process so I could tell you, and I perfected. I learned from my mistakes and here it is. These bauble picks are from John Lewis, but it's so easy to DIY. All you need a small glass bauble and a flower wire, and you just have to stick it inside so you can use it as picks. I cut all the wires and shortened them of my berries, and I used the wires as well for other stuff you are going to see. When you're a crafter, you have to be resourceful, so once it didn't stick, I didn't want to wait for a long time, so I used the excess wire, bend it over, and then made a U shape to stick it on. So until the glue hardened, it held the branches over the styrofoam wreath. After sticking the branches, the next step is to stick the baubles. I'm going to use this tiny beaded garland to tuck everything in and hold the branches so it covers the sides as well as the bottom. All done. Now it's the fun part, adding colors, adding baubles. This video is part of a close collaboration hosted by lovely Yanni and Diane from Decor, and the collaboration is called Santa's Travel Around the World. 21 channels and 23 very creative ladies. The playlist link is going to be in my description box, and I hope you enjoy all of the participants' videos. My second DIY is to create a window decor, and I'm using these beautiful branches. I have 2 of them, and they are from HomeSense, and the garland, green garland, you can see it on the carpet, is from the range store. I'm using tension rod, and the rod is from the range store, and I already extended to the size of my window, so I can organize the garland and the cascading silver branches. I use plenty of zip ties to secure all of them in place.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
Since all of my DIY is going to go to the same place, so I'm using my candle ring as a reference so I can color coordinate my baubles accordingly.
But I've been waiting for the season that's mine, so let it come.
All my baubles came from various shops. This one is from HomeBase, and it was £3, and all of them that I will be using are made out of glass. I wanted this window display to be luxurious, very high-end, very glamorous, and I want it to shimmer when the light hits to those glass baubles.
I can see the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all.
Let's look at the ring one more time to decide on the ones that I will be using.
That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls.
I don't want it to dangle so much, so I already measured, and I'm gonna go for ½ meter, and I don't know how much it's in inches.
What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
I will fix some of the baubles on top using silver pipe cleaners, and some of them will be dangling at different heights.
We'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it.
I don't want to overdo with baubles because that would make it very heavy for my tension rod, and I don't want it to fall apart and break all the glass baubles. Almost done. Now I'm going to take you to my kitchen, show you where it's going to be, and then we'll decide which baubles will be hanged down. And here it is at the moment, and I really love the curly ribbons. You just need to fluff, fluff, fluff to hide the rod. It's white, it blends into the background anyway, but I had to fluff it, and I really love this cascading branches from HomeSense. Let's complete my last one, and then I will show you all three together on a final reveal. I'm using a beautiful container that I bought from the range store, and it was, I believe, £16. I use packaging materials inside to fill it up, and I'm covering the packaging with fake snow that I bought from the range store. The theme is Glam Forest, and I'm using this super glam garland that I bought from Home Bargains or Range. I don't remember, I bought it last year. Christmas trees are from the B&M store, and this glittery clear one is from HomeSense, and the other reindeer silver one is from Poundland that I bought last year. I'm using these same green branches that I use for my candle ring, so it coordinates with both of the DIYs that I've done before. Even though it's going to be against my window, I still want both sides to look good, because I will be also using it as a table centerpiece for a tablescape. In my whimsical glam forest, poinsettias are growing to giant size, and also I have some baubles coordinating colors with the poinsettias as well as the silver ornaments. And here's the beautiful reveal of my window in the kitchen for Christmas 2021. Don't forget to let me know your favorite DIYs out of all three.
Should old acquaintance be forgot, and days of old lang syne, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet, for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet, for old lang syne, for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup